This 2018 Keystone Sprinter 30FL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, microwave, slide-out, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, oven, refrigerator, awning, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Sprinter 30FL is 7,410 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.